Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Yagya. Today, we all are here to have a debate on a topic where life is better, in city or village. First, I want to give chance to Himaksh what he thinks.
First of all, my name is Himaksh. I am in the favor of village. My first point is greenery. Greenery is more better in village than the city. Anybody else? Anybody want to counter me? Off. No counter.
So I want to add on that as we talk about the greenery and the people of village is also so laborious. They work hard for their family. They don't stop even at night, even at morning. Every time they work, every time they struggle for their family. The people of village are very laborious.
Counter.
Yes.
City people also work physically.
No.
Yes, we all know that they also work physically, but somewhere they have work. They can do their work from home. But village people have to go to their field to irrigate the field regularly, to grow the seeds, and after when the time is of harvesting, they harvest the crops for us. Don't you find that somewhere they are also struggling for us? Why they are struggling? Because they want to earn money. And also, we should respect the village people because they are struggling just for us, just to give us food. If there is no village person, so we cannot eat food. Don't you think this?
And also, how will you eat food? If village will destroy, there is no village. So where will be the farms? Where
I
will
also
the farms
want
grown?
I also want to add on that in cities there are lots of people who are eating the job of the village person. They start an industry where they take means chemicals and mix in the vegetable to grow them early and sell to the market where they are getting profit, and they are means snatching the job of the farmers who are struggling day and night, who are doing his real work, but still he is not supported by people. Don't you find that somewhere cities people are bad? They are snatching some people's job.
Village people do labor work, but cities people think work. Cities people there is mind work. They use their proper mind, but in in village there is अब crop harvest करनी है, अब ये करना है, वो करना है.
Don't you find that? Yes, you can speak.
And there cities people use their mind, but village people already know that we have to do this and this. That's all.
Somewhere, don't you find that their work is specific, but they struggle every day, every night, every morning, every evening. They struggle in their whole life. Somewhere they are also struggling just for us, not for their also for their family, but they are struggling for us. If they are not here, so we cannot eat food, and if they are not here, so the industry will be started of cropping. They will inject the vegetables and give you. You will eat the injected vegetable, chemical free vegetable. You are not respecting them.
And you will suffer from diseases, or you will if anybody will inject bases acids in the vegetable or something else, you will die.
And if you like the people who get the vegetable from those farmers, they also bargain with them that you should give it at a very low price. You are selling us at a very high price. They don't bargain when they are going to mall. They don't bargain in Zara shop, Gucci and Starbucks. They don't bargain there. Why they bargain at the people at the farmer from the farmer? Because they know they are poor. If we will means shout on them, they cannot do anything of us. We can also complain against them. Police will also support city people.
And if you talk about the weather, the Delhi weather is crossing the high limits. If you talk about this summer, the Delhi weather is crossing its limit. It is very hot in the Delhi. If you get outside, so the worst air is there, and we cannot breathe properly.
Before 1 week,
and many people are having cancer because of it. The trees are not there, the weather is not there. But if you talk about villages, there are very smooth weather, very clean weather, where we can breathe properly.
and if we talk about the the weather before 1 week. It was very
Rainy
suitable
weather.
according to our environment. But today, if you will go out, you will feel too hot
You
because
can
the
take
environment is
today
changing.
only. You can
Environment,
take that.
environment is changing day by day because we are cutting the trees. We are also people are opening their industries in the village. They are decreasing the level of forest. Deforestation is happening. That's why, and also
And all, and
In
also,
In village there is no sun,
yes,
there
it is
is-
there.
but and heat is not there.
It is there, but less than the city.
But then, if we move on bike, but the heat can jala,
Banus.
burn our body.
No.
But if we use car, nothing happened.
Why
But by
not?
by car we are having lot of pollution in the cities. I recently give the example.
EV car.
EV car and electric
But
cars.
everyone has not having the EV car.
Only 1%
Yes,
persons are
the
having
EV
the
car
EV
is-
cars.
Okay, if everyone will buy the EV car, so do you have the pump to charge car on as a petrol pump? We just have petrol pump. We do not have any electric pump. You have electric pump.
We have in other countries they
Honda?
we have Honda electric cars and electric.
Bro, we have electric cars of Tata, Mahindra, and there are lots of
Suzuki's
companies.
also.
Yeah, they are making the EV cars, but we have less of electric pump. We have lack of electric pump. There is no electric pump. And electric chargers.
In foreign countries there are many electric pumps. There is no petrol pump.
Are you
Instead of
living in foreign country or living in India? Talk about India. Is there any electric pump? Tell me.
if
Tell
all
me, is there
cars
any
are if all cars are electric, then petrol. There is petrol pump, change into EV pump.
And bro, you are understanding that if people are buying EV car just because the upcoming future is of EV, but if we will not generate any electric pump in localities, so how will we charge our cars?
If
And
there is electric pump.
from
Where?
from whom are you generating the electricity? From the water or from other things? And if all the cars, all the bikes, all the scooters were of the EVs, then electricity will not waste. There is
no pollution.
The water will not waste. Tell me this thing first. And what are you saying that there is no electricity in city in villages than the cities? You can take the examples of hots. Full light, full days, the electricity gone.
In a village, in city, this problem is not there.
Why not there? I'm telling about
Bro.
cities only.
If the rain will come, your whole village will be drawn. Do you know this thing?
Yes.
Recently
No,
we have
no.
the
Okay, can we give chance to Nivika as well?
If a village was very good, so why the people come cities from village?
Because of the Britishers.
No,
Brit-
because
no.
because of
He-
people.
Who developed the cities? Tell me this thing. Is the Indian people or the Britishers? So, if they not come to our India, no cities, only villages.
So Britishers said us to go in cities, no live in village. To go.
This time also, village people are coming in cities. Why? For a good life.
What is good life?
Village, there is no good facilities, but in city there are much
Can you name
facilities.
how many people are coming from the village here in cities?
Lack of.
Millions. Millions. Do you know anyone?
Thousands of people.
Do you know anyone?
Yeah.
Whom do you know? Bro, you can say that people are coming just for their work, and after that they are also going to their village.
You can
They
take
first-
the example of yours only. You didn't go to a village.
I go.
So why
So
do you
why-
go?
But
because you don't love to your village. This is the reason.
The peace which will you get in village, you will not get here. The water which will you get in village, you will not get here.
And if you
The
talk
environment
about
which will you get here, there you will not
and,
get
and
here.
also if you talk about ACs and coolers, the facilities you're talking about, in the villages the heat is very less because of they are having trees and they are having good environment. But in the cities we have lack of environment. That's why the city people are using the ACs. And by the ACs the weather is changing day by day. If we talk about here, if we go outside, so we feel like that. What is this? If we talk about evening also, when I was coming here, so I feel very hot.
Yes, it was there. It was very humid. At 5 o'clock also.
And
But in
when we
village,
entered
at 5 o'clock, full all the evening,
the
the
birds,
sun is there.
you will not listen the voice of peacock, the voice of pigeon here. You will the voice which will you listen in the village.
And
The peace
maybe
which will you get.
You haven't seen the peacock till in your life.
I have seen.
But where? But where? In village or in here?
But other vendors we
Here,
have
where?
Garden.
Which garden?
City Park.
Peacock in City Park.
Very good.
Town Park, sorry, Town Park.
Where the peacocks are there in town park? There is no peacocks.
There is peacocks in school.
In
In our school there is also one peacock came and I see
he came 2 years back.
and also I think you have seen elephant also.
yeah
Once he has come to the school only, yes.
Crocodile come to meet him. Hey, they come
no. Animal house
Zoo
I
is
see
different. Zoo is
all
different.
animals.
Zoo is different.
Zoo is different.
You are capturing the animals.
Animals.
That's why the counting
I
for
am not
animals is
capturing.
decreasing day by day.
And
That's why you are not seeing it anywhere.
Only 15 to 16 units of white lions are there in the
Yes.
in the India.
We are means we are importing the village from other. We are importing the lions from other country. We have lack of lions.
Because of
In
people like
2024 only, we have import the lions from the Africa because there was lack of lions.
Any point you remember, just try to speak. No, he will speak. Shabash. Vihan, speak. Shabash. Whatever you have written, just speak.
In cities, in village there is narrow-minded people.
All people are not narrow-minded.
लेकिन many people are narrow-minded.
Why are you shouting? We are here. We are listening.
We are here only. We are not
Sorry.
1 kilometer away.
We are not in
Bro,
Okay, Vihan, speak. It's okay. Try to speak your point. What do you want to say? Shabash.
city. In
Try to
city, we
elaborate.
have open-minded people,
ये हो गया.
narrow-minded,
And
and not narrow-minded.
Vihan, try to explain better. What do you want to convey exactly? Say.
In cities, we have cars.
they
Shabnam.
also cars in villages.
Villages also.
It's okay, beta. Let him speak. You can talk about in the village you don't allow your girls, women to go out to study them to do job, but we allow. Speak,
In
Shabash.
village, at night, the people.
Good.
You
good.
do bhagwa at night?
रुक जाओ.
Wait.
In village, the
Himaksh.
people. चुप हो जा.
Davik, let him like Vihan speak.
Yes.
In villages, the people called girls not go outside at night.
So, bro,
So-
it is not safe for girls to go at night. Like we are having lots of cases of people, the bad men are teasing the girls, they are raping them, and their army is cutting them into so many pieces. Don't you find
And
that
they
somewhere
are,
it is
and they people,
not to allow
and these
girls?
people are out of cities only who are raping
Yes.
them, who are
And
who are-
cities, we
who are
have
throwing
not
them-
police.
and in cities you don't have police, but in
Yes,
village
no
it is
police.
there. But in village it is there.
Sorry. In villages, we don't have police.
Why we don't have
The
police?
girls-
We have more better police in the village. In
The
the
city
cities,
girls are
they take
becoming
corruption
modern.
from the peoples.
And also the government has also organized a that organization there is a number. If you call them, so in 10 minutes the police arrives in that place.
And
it is available for everyone. Government.
You are not
And is there
answered.
any club, bar, or all these things in the
But-
village?
But people every day doing.
Yes, they play cards every day.
So, bro, if you will go to the temple nearby,
And you will,
and you will find
and you will go to the
And-
city park.
and then-
You will see.
gamblers.
I will give this much of money. Oh, I have lost.
If you see the gambler in these city parks, there are a lot of gamblers in the city park.
And
And
they-
talk about the local roads, they are also playing.
Not go to
there.
city park.
There also,
Here there is a
yes.
temple. You can
If you
can
go
to this.
outside, if you go outside and you will go in the parking is there, then you will find lots of gamblers. They are playing gambling there.
But anything for children in village?
Yes.
Anything for children in village?
Yes. Food, water.
Only food and water.
Yes.
Not playing
Yes.
things.
Yes.
They play the physical game, not like you that in the cities
always-
they are
always
playing
Kill,
online. They are playing
kill,
Free Fire.
kill.
What physical
Please
game?
revive me. Please revive me in the
They are,
phone.
they are playing, cities people are playing football but in phone. They are playing cricket but in phone. They are playing Free Fire in phone. Everything in phone.
The cities people not
And they
go to
think
park.
like, oh,
Yes.
I have to.
The cities people
I
have to do
defeat.
park.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. If we talk about the cities, the children, they are only playing game.
And if you will in city, if you
And
will
the-
go outside your outside your home,
But
and if you
still,
will,
you have not answered. Narrow minding.
Okay,
minded.
let me complete. Like I used to talk about narrow-minded people. The girls in cities are nowadays becoming so modern. They are smoking, they are drinking, and they are not obeying
And
their
most of the
fathers.
girls are there
But
in
in
bar.
village, but in
Hey,
village,
you
let me complete first. Now you start speaking. But in village, the girls always have dupatta, and they always respect the elders. They do not go.
This is the culture of our India.
Yes. But today, today modern girl in cities are not obeying their parents.
And if you go, if
They're
you will
shouting
go
on
in
them.
bar or in club, you will see most the girls are there. They are drinking. They are drinking
They're
alcohol.
drinking in bar, but village people do drinking in road.
They drink hookahs, but
No,
they-
drinking also.
We are talking about the girls. We are talking about every man drink. Every man drink in cities and in like not every man, like the person who
They
is living
do.
in city, he also drink. The person who is living in village, he
More
is also
people drink
drinking.
in village.
Sharm.
It is not like that.
Embarrassment.
In the village there is no people got embarrassed in the front of others, but in cities there is so much of embarrassment that I will drink alone. But in village no embarrassment, so all think that cities people are more good. They don't drink. They drink, but by hiding.
Okay, we have got Nivika. Nivika has a point.
But
Nivika,
still, my
try to
question was
speak.
remain that why the people come city from village?
I said because of the Britishers only.
No.
You
Yes,
answer. You
you
answer.
answer.
Why do they come? Tell. You tell all the
Because of
reasons.
better education.
Yes.
Because of
Shabash.
better facilities.
If the
If you talk about the education, if you see, if you the Agra public school,
In-
every
In village there is bad water. Ganda pani.
let him complete.
Please don't interrupt. You are raising a new point. Let me counter her. So first of all, if we talk about education, the education is very less, very bad in the cities. If we talk about Agra Public School, I am studying in it. So if we talk about them, the teachers are careless. They only write on the board only the subject they write. And if we talk about sport, there is no sport. Only if sometimes they let the students go. Let the student go on the ground or not. And if we talk about any school in this Ballabgarh or Faridabad,
Or a public school. And the MDIS Sector 88 city.
but if we talk about
and
the
first.
DAV, DPS, these are the top schools in India we are having. But if we talk about the rest of the schools, if we talk about the small schools here, like we have, I don't
We
know.
have
Tell me this thing.
we have
First,
more
tell me
big
this
schools for girls.
first tell me this thing, that if the city is not developed, if the British doesn't came and the cities doesn't made, there will no school will be there in the villages. Tell me this thing first.
Please, you can repeat your question.
If the British doesn't come and we doesn't shift to cities, the village will be not there in the cities. In the village, the
Tell me this
schools
thing.
will be not there in the villages.
Tell me this thing.
Yes.
Why China had
We are talking about India. Don't interrupt China in between.
why for in villages the girls have not
Do you know any village in China?
Okay, let
Even you don't know any
let
city in
Vihan
China.
speak. Vihan
Yeah.
speak.
Yes. Yes,
For-
Mohan.
in villages for girls
Good.
did not have school.
Why? They are having
No.
in school in the cities.
Tell me name.
And you tell the name.
Nivika. Lily.
What do you want to say? Nivika has no education.
In cities, Nivika has gone to school. You have asked the example. Nivika is the example.
We are
Yes,
talking about the schools name.
they are giving live example. Like in the city, girls study.
Yes.
So she is in the.
So girls are
So
also
let's
studying
go
in the
to
cities, in the villages also.
Let's go to village
Chalo,
and
chalte
ask
hain.
them.
But you have no live example. They have got a practical example.
Yes. Live example. And your sister also.
There is no live
Yes, sir.
example. There is live example.
I have said. Sir is teaching many girls, and they are from.
They are also coming from villages.
Yes.
You don't
They are
know.
coming.
They are coming from villages and cities both.
We have also live example.
Live example we have.
सर ज्यादा कहाँ से आते हैं?
From cities.
No one. You were talking the city, the village. Villages are not
They
there.
came. They used to come. If we will have the institute in village, so they will also come in village.
They both girls will come in from village. only.
In village. Any institute for girls?
Yes. There are a lot of schools. You can search on Google. Live example.
पहला name.
Live.
If you really want to, I don't remember having a name. I'm not that much Nithalla like you. So I don't remember the name, but you can search on the Google. You can search on the Google the exact name you can get. You can get every information about that institute. So you can search on the Google.